Okay, so today we will discuss some terms in chemistry like atomic radius, electronegativity, electron affinity, and ionization. So first go through the atomic radius. What is atomic radius? It is the distance right here. The distance from center of the nucleus to outermost electrons. This is called atomic radius. Okay, like how? Let me draw the picture. This is center of nucleus. Okay, so this is like we have two atoms. This is center of nucleus. Okay, so the radius is 2r. So the distance from the nucleus to the outermost electrons, here we have the outermost electrons, is known as atomic radius. Okay, so now atomic radius is helpful in predicting the chemical behavior. It is helpful in predicting the chemical behavior. Okay, got it. Now let's move towards another, that is electronegativity. Okay, so here we have electronegativity. So electronegativity is the tendency or power of an atom in a molecule to attract the shared pair of electron. To attract the shared pair of electron towards itself is called electronegativity. Okay, so now how it means electronegativity is the tendency or the power of an atom. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एक एटम की ऐसी पावर है इन मॉलिक्यूल, एक मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर, जो कि अट्रैक्ट करती है शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. शेयर जो पेयर होता है जैसे कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड, शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन को अट्रैक्ट करती है अपने पास, अपनी तरफ. तो इसको कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी. जैसे कि मैं एग्जांपल दूं, फ्लोरीन के पास मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी है. फ्लोरीन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी is 4, while the cesium electronegativity is 0.7. Means cesium do not have power to attract the electron, shared pair of electron, while fluorine have more electronegativity, so fluorine element can attract the shared pair of electron. So this is electronegativity. Now let me tell you trend of electronegativity in periodic table. Trend of electronegativity in periodic table. Okay, so electronegativity increase from left to right in the periodic table because increase in atoms number decrease the atomic size from the left to right due to the electrostatic force of attraction. So let me write here, electronegativity increase from left to right in the periodic table because the increase in the atomic number, because increase in atomic number decrease the atomic size. From left to right. So due to electrostatic force. Between the nucleus and the outermost electrons. Okay, so now electronegativity decrease down the group, like increase on the left to right but decrease down the group. Okay, so now let's move towards another, that is ionization. Now what is ionization energy? Ionization energy is basically the amount of energy required to remove the loosely bound electron. Okay, the amount of from the neutral gas or atom or molecule is known as ionization energy. Like how? So the ionization energy is basically the amount to remove the electrons. Like whenever the electrons are not bounded tightly, so it is the energy which remove the electron from the neutral atom or molecule. So this energy is known as ionization energy, and it is measured in kJ mole. Okay, so the energy required to remove first electron is known as first ionization. The energy required to remove second electron is known as second ionization. This is simple. Okay, so now like the ionization potential depend upon the distance of electron. The ionization potential or ionization energy depends upon the distance of the electron from the nucleus. Like further the electron is from the nucleus, more easily removed. Means जब electron nucleus से बहुत दूर होगा तो it is easy to remove the nucleus. Okay, further the electron is from nucleus, more easily is removed. Okay, so when one electron is removed, the increased nuclear charge attract the remaining electron more strongly. For example, one electron is removed, so the other electrons, the nuclear charge attract the remaining electrons very tightly or more strongly. Okay, so this was the ionization energy. Now let's move towards the electron affinity. Now what is electron affinity? It is the energy released when an electron is added to an isolated neutral gas atom to form a negative ion. Okay, so an electron affinity is basically the energy released when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom to form the negative ion. So this one. Like what? So electroaffinity is the energy required. It is the energy which is released when an electron is added. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन कोई भी ऐड होता है किसी भी गैस आइसोलेटेड गैसियस एटम में, क्यों ऐड होता है? नेगेटिव आयन बनाने के लिए, टू फॉर्म द नेगेटिव आयन. तो उस जब वो बनता है तब जो एनर्जी रिलीज होती है, व्हेन इट फॉर्म ऑन दैट टाइम द एनर्जी रिलीज, दैट एनर्जी नोन एज इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी. ओके, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो मेजर्ड इन kJ mole.